when I'm building an e-commerce business or a t-shirt business, one, would I be able to make stable income? And two, how long does it take for an average to achieve a monthly stable income? Great. First of all, any income. So listen, again, income is a result and you want stable income. Stable income comes when you approach the business, so income is the output, and if you want to receive an output, you should definitely give an input. The input, if you want to make a stable income, is going to be stable consistency, stable persistence, stable funding, stable testing or marketing, stable research. That's it. If you do these 5 things with stability, with consistency, you can expect to make stable income. In fact, it's not going to be stable. If you consistently do this, it's actually going to grow if you're doing things right. Let's say you launch or you test 10 designs a month and you found one winner which is making you a good amount of money. It's making you this much money right now. And next month you launch, and so this is where I started. And next month you launch 10 more and you found another one, so you're making more money now. The graph is going up now. Or let's say the one that you found on the first month is not working very well for you, but you launched 10 more the next month and you found another one. So it's making you more money now. More money, more money, more money. The other one stopped working, but you found another one, more money. So it's going to be a graph like this. So if you see the stocks of the biggest companies out there, the graph goes like this. If you just see the last 1 month, the graph is going to be like this. But if you see the last 5 years, the graph is going to be like this. So the company is actually grown. So as long as you consistently pump your business with the funds, with the work that it takes, with proper research, with proper products, you stay consistent and you always persist and you don't give up, you can expect stable income. You can, in fact, that income is actually going to grow. It's going to be a matter of time. And when it comes to how long does it take an average to achieve a monthly stable income? Okay, so if you spend, this is what I've seen after working with thousands of people and helping them build their e-commerce businesses. If people who start with an average budget of $300, $400 and a recurring and they have a recurring income of at least $200, $300 that they can spend in their business, and they consistently launch or they test at least one t-shirt design a day, or let's say 10 t-shirt designs a month, let's say that's the minimum, people are able to reach profitability within 3 to 6 months. That's the average. It could be 1 week, it could be 1 year. Okay, I've not seen anyone actually taking that long, but it could be a week, or it could be just 1 day, or it could be a 10 years or a century, I don't know. But the average, again, if I say 2 to 3 months, again, yes, 2 to 3 months, or let's say 3 to 6 months is the average. But this does not mean that you launch something right now, then you're not doing any work and you're like, I'm not profitable. No, this means that 3 to 6 months, assuming that you started with a budget of $300, $400, which means you're spending this money. If it takes next month, you should have a recurring income of $200, $300 to reinvest in the business if needed, and most probably it will be needed because you're building a business. You are building a business, and building businesses definitely take resources, guys. It takes a lot of work. It takes resources. You're being consistent. You are marketing your products. You are doing research. You are marketing your products over and over again. That's what it takes.